Neuromatrix Theory. So basically, what is a matrix? A matrix is basically something within which something else takes form, develops, or originates. So it's a system in itself. Okay. So over here, when we talk in terms of pain, a matrix is basically integration of different nerves. It is integration of different structures. And what they have realized is there is something called as neurosignature. For example, you and me both will have pain which is perceived at a different level. So why is it different? It may be the same noxious stimulus. I may inject a hypertonic saline in you and in me, but I'll respond to pain differently. You will respond to pain differently. So Melzack, who had initially proposed the pain gate theory, actually came up with the concept of neuromatrix, saying that pain is not as simple as the pain gate theory or the descending pain modulation. There is a signature pattern which is there, and it comes through previous experiences, emotions, genes, and lot of other things, and that decides how you actually respond to pain. So as I gave you an example, a hypertonic saline is injected. Okay, you may respond to the pain by crying. I may respond to the pain by probably getting angry. So there might be different emotions that might come out of different people. The reason is the neurosignature or the neuromatrix. So neurosignature, as what they have found from recent studies, is they are influenced by a lot of genetic and sensory influences. So your genes also decide how you respond to a certain stimulus. And sensory influences, as you are developing, as you are growing, there are a lot of patterns that are formed in the brain. So all these together influence how you respond to pain. So the complex neural network, according to Melzack, basically includes your hippocampus. It includes your sensory, somatosensory areas. There are certain areas called the anterior cingulate cortex and the insula. So this is exactly how your neuromatrix looks like. It is much more complicated, but because in itself it is a chapter, I'm just brushing through it. So you see the emotions, the cognitive aspect, the sensory aspect together decide how you respond to pain, how your muscles respond to pain, how your body responds in terms of stress, and how you express it. Okay, so the input and the output are basically decided based on the neuromatrix. So I basically have done with my seminar.